What if the reason your jaw hurts every single morning is not your teeth, is not your bite, and is not something your dentist can fix? With a $3,000 night guard, what if the real problem is something hidden inside your jaw muscles, something that has been quietly tightening day after day, year after year, and nobody ever showed you how to release it? Because here's what most people do not know. Your jaw is one of the most overworked joints in your entire body. It opens and closes over 10,000 times a day. And for millions of people dealing with TMJ disorder, that clicking, that aching, that tension that creeps up into your skull and would not let go, the solution is not always a procedure. Sometimes it is a movement. Today on Dental Miracle, I am going to show you 3 jaw yoga exercises backed by physical therapy research that are quietly changing how dentists and patients think about TMJ relief. These are not gimmicks, and by the end of this video, you are going to understand your jaw in a way most people never do. Stay with me. Welcome back to Dental Miracle, the channel where we cover the breakthroughs, the science, and the real solutions happening right now in modern dentistry. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button, because we cover things on this channel that most dentists do not have time to explain. Now, let's talk about TMJ, the temporomandibular joint. Say that 5 times fast. This little joint right here connects your lower jaw to your skull. And when it goes wrong, it really goes wrong. We are talking jaw pain that radiates into your ear, a clicking or popping sound every time you open your mouth. Headaches that start at your temples and crawl across your forehead. A jaw that feels like locking up. Sound familiar? You are not alone. TMJ disorders affect over 10 million people in the United States alone. So today, I want to do something different. I want to show you the source and then give you 3 specific movements. Most people think TMJ pain is a joint problem, and sometimes it is, but the most common cause is muscular. It is your muscles. Specifically, 4 muscles called the muscles of mastication. Here is the big 4. The masseter. This is the powerhouse. The temporalist. This is the fan-shaped muscle spreading across your temple. When it is tight, you get those headaches. The medial and lateral pterygoids. These are deeper. You cannot see them or touch them easily, but they control the fine movements. Now here is the key insight. These muscles, like any other muscle in your body, respond to targeted, deliberate movement and stretching. That is what jaw yoga is. It is applied muscle therapy movements, specifically designed to release tension and retrain patterns. Ready? Let's do this. Exercise number 1 is called controlled mouth opening. I want you to actually do this with me right now. Pause the video, find a mirror if you can, because watching yourself do this is half the technique. Step 1, sit up straight, chin slightly tucked, shoulders back. Posture matters here because your jaw is connected to your head position. Step 2, place the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right behind your front teeth. Keep it there throughout. Step 3, slowly open your mouth. As slowly as you can. I mean, glacially slow. Watch yourself in the mirror. Step 4, open to about 50% of your maximum range. Not full open, half hold for 3 seconds, then close slowly. Now, when you first do this, you might notice your jaw really wants to drift. That is normal. That is the tight muscle pulling. This is neurological retraining happening in real time. Exercise 2 is my personal favorite, the masseter release. Step 1, using your index and middle finger together, find your masseter. Start at your cheekbone and move downward. Step 2, apply firm but comfortable pressure to that spot. Not painful, think of it like pressing a bruise at about 60%. Step 3, while maintaining that pressure, slowly open your mouth halfway. You will feel the muscle shift under your fingers. Do this exercise once a day, ideally at night before bed. A lot of people report sleeping better and reduced clenching. All right, exercise 3. This one focuses on strengthening the muscles that support correct jaw position. It is called the resisted chin push. Step 1. Make a fist with one hand and place it under your chin. Not pushing yet, just resting. Step 2. Now gently try to open your mouth. while simultaneously using your fist to provide light upward resistance. The key word is light. Step 3. Hold the half-open position against the resistance for 5 seconds. You should feel a mild burn in the muscles under your jaw. What is happening here is that you are building strength in the muscles responsible for coordinated jaw depression. This is essentially jaw physical therapy. Okay, let's bring it all together. Here is your complete jaw yoga routine. Morning, evening, and once per day strengthening. Consistency beats intensity. Heat helps. Apply a warm compress to your jaw for 5 minutes before these exercises. And please avoid hard, chewy foods while you are doing this protocol. Bagels, tough meats, chewing gum, these are all counterproductive. I need to be very clear. These exercises are for muscular TMJ pain. Please see a dentist if you experience jaw locking or sharp pain. TMJ does not always require expensive procedures. Sometimes it requires the right movements done consistently, with intention. Start tomorrow morning. Give it 3 weeks. I genuinely believe you are going to feel a difference. If this video helped you, please share this with them. Drop a comment below and subscribe to Dental Miracle. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.